Perfect. Now we're all set. All right. Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to this Dcent meeting, Dcent Capital. So my name is David Brown, and I'll be your host today. We're gonna go briefly through a couple of details in regards to the company, how everything works, why you should choose us over some other competitors. Our vision for the company, our future, practically almost, but not in. My name is David Brown, and I've been trading for the past 8 years. This is something that I was passionate about ever since I heard about Bitcoin and decentralized trading. Um, this was what I was looking for, entirely remote work. So this is what I really wanted to do. And shortly, after I decided to join couple of trading groups, where you actually were helped by professional traders. They were actually giving you advices on what to do, how to do, when to do, and etc. Of course, we had lots of ups and downs, but with time, you really get the idea of when to go in, when to go out, on what to invest. And the most important factor in trading, for me particularly, is scouting. Making sure that you know all the details in regards to whatever you're going to be investing into. You have to go out there, really look everything about what you're investing in. And then slowly and steadily, I'm pretty sure you're gonna hit it. But that's not what we're here about. Today, we're here to give you an easier access to this. So instead of you having to go over websites and looking for information and really trying to understand when, what, where, um, we provide it to you. It's quite simple. Dcent Capital is a trading platform based entirely for beginners and professional alike. So doesn't matter if you have 10 years of experience in trading, doesn't matter if you have like 10 minutes of experience in trading. There's something for everyone. Now, before we actually get into the website and our brief presentation, I would kindly ask you, all the leaders, if you have anyone that you haven't invited yet, please do take a second, go onto your chats, invite everyone that you can, because this meeting is going to be packed with value for your time. So it will be very, very beneficial for everyone to join in and understand a little bit more what Dcent Capital is all about. Now I'm gonna give you a little bit of time to go out and ask some of your people to join in. I'll definitely be happy to see more faces out here. It will definitely be good. So go ahead and do that. And in the meantime, I will just quickly set up our presentations for today. Now, if you can give me one quick second so I can share my screen, we can actually begin. Okay. I do sorry about the delay. We are just setting everything up. Please bear with me. Okay. Okay. I believe everyone should be able to see my screen right now. to apologize, but when you are working remotely, there's certain stuff that happen. Okay, now if everyone can see my screen, we can get started. Now, as you guys can see, this is our main webpage, Dcent Capital. Here you're presented with brief presentation about what we are all about, and what the benefits of trading with Dcent is. You can definitely go ahead and check the website yourself. As you can see, it's up here, decentcapital.com. And you can check a little bit more about who we are and what we do. Now we're going to start with a brief presentation of the company and what we're focusing about. I'm pretty sure all of you can see it, but briefly said, Dcent Capital is all about independent financial freedom. What we're trying to offer you is an easier place where you can trade with not only with security, but also with full transparency. Because at the end of the day, this is exactly what we're trying to bring to the table. Being able to have a project that is fully transparent with you in regards to any fees, any questions you have, complete 24/7 customer support. We're trying to provide all of that so we can kind of like show you that we can stand out from our competitors, even though maybe a little bit, we are still here to give you what some can't. Here we have our homepage. We have about section, what our goals and visions are, why choose us. We do have real-time analytics. We also have a web page, I mean a YouTube channel, I'm sorry. On our YouTube channel, you can check bi-weekly probably, or we're gonna try to do it maybe daily, but at least 3 times a week. We're going to be doing some live trading sessions. You can join us and be a part of our subscriber list, and that will give you a little bit more value, and you can see how we actually go day by day. Now, here we have some of our happy customers. And we have some frequently asked questions. You can log in and you can register. Well, you will have to register first before you log in. But yeah. So this is our to a page. Let me try to move a little bit and see that. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we are. So yeah, first and foremost, you're gonna sign up, then you're gonna log in, and then you can start trading straight away. We're gonna have another live session where we're gonna be showing you exactly how to register, how to log in, and exactly what you're gonna be seeing as your main dashboard once you log in to your Dcent Capital account. But now this is gonna be all for the website. And anything else that you might want to know about the website, you can check it yourself. Once again, as I said, decentcapital.com is where you can check it out. Okay, now we are going to show you a little bit about our story and why we decided to go with this. Give me a quick second so I can set up, and I'll go out with the PDF presentation. Now, if you do have any questions, I will highly recommend that that you join our Telegram group, where you can ask our questions. And we also have customer support there. There will always be people who will be able to help you out with that. Now let me just get my documents out. Now, for full transparency, I'm gonna give you a brief preview of our legal documents and our white paper and our ideology plus our future plans. So first, we're going to start with our legal document that I'm going to give you a brief look. This is for full transparency. This is exactly why I am doing it. So I think now you can see my screen. These are our legal certificates of incorporation, private limited company. All of this is fully legal and signed. So here we are. This is really in regards to transparency. We really want to show you that we mean business, that we're a real company who wants to do real business. Yeah, this is our legal paper. Now I'm gonna get to the good stuff. Can give me just 1 second. Okay. All right, let's go over our white paper so you can have a brief idea of what we're doing. Not gonna read it out loud, but I'm gonna give you a brief idea of what our white paper is. Now, in regards to all of those documents, they will be available in the Telegram group, so whoever wants to check them out, they can check it there. All right. Welcome, welcome. We'll have tables of content, and we have the executive summary. As I mentioned, we developed Dcent to really provide value for money. This is really what we're trying to get. And as I mentioned, there is, of course, some fees in regards to trading, but those are not hidden fees. Everything is clearly in front of you in big bold letters. So anything you have in your head that you would like to know, as I mentioned, just contact our customer support, place questions on our Telegram group. I'm pretty sure one of us will be able to answer you straight away. I have a brief introduction of the company. As I mentioned, we do operate 24/7, so there is no pauses in between. We try to have someone always be available to help out our clients or our investors, I would say. So yeah, keep that in mind. We have some market overview in regards to the crypto market, mainstream adoption, exchange, pro-life rotation, algorithmic and bot trading. Now we do consider bot trading as well. This is one of the newest method of trading, I would say, but it's also one of the, I would say, least used due to the fact that not entirely perfected, and that's especially because when you are creating a bot to trade for you, you do really need to feed it as much data as possible. And in order for you to feed it data, as much data as possible, you have to lose a lot. Sometimes you even have to lose on purpose just because you need to get the data so you can show the bot what not to do and how not to get into a trade, how not to get out of a trade. But those are the negatives, and then you have the positives. As much positives and negatives you provide the bot, the better the bot's going to perform. And this is exactly why we are really looking forward in the future to consider building one of those to create a more, I would say, less empathic and less feelings-based trading. Because due to the fact of, I would say, cheese hands, some people do get into some amazing trades, but they do leave straight away due to their feelings of fear, anxiety. They're rushing everything, and this is how you kind of lose everything that you work for. This is exactly why when you have a bot trading, a bot doesn't rely on feelings. It doesn't feel fear or anxiety. It does rely on numbers. Everything for them is logic. And this is exactly why majority of their trades are a win. Demand for advanced analytics. We're going to have analytics board, so you can see exactly how our trading has been performing for that particular week. We have some key statistics: cryptocurrency in circulation over 24,000. Active crypto traders worldwide, 420 million. Top exchanges by volume: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, and KuCoin. Algorithmic trading volume share 60% on major exchanges. Crypto derivatives market is $50 billion daily trading volume. DeFi TVL, total value locked, over 150 billion. The market needs are clear: centralized control over multiple exchange accounts, and that's exactly how you do arbitrage. If you guys do not know what arbitrage is, we can definitely explain it in the next meeting. So be sure to join our Telegram group and be sure to be part of the email list, because we're gonna be having those meetings as much as possible during the next couple of days, just for us to be able to reach as much audience as possible, to give them the general idea of what the company is, what the company stands for, and how the company actually delivers value to our investors. Real-time data analytics, secure automation tools, advanced risk management, and predictive insight powered by AI and machine learning. That exactly what I've been talking about. We live in the age of AI. There is no denial about this. No matter how much we're trying to avoid AI, we will always kind of go back to it, because right now AI has changed our lives. Everything is much easier. You want to write something, you want to create something, you want to, whatever you want to do, you just ask it, it does it for you, or at least it gives you a brief plan of how you can perform that. It helps you, it holds your hand. And this is exactly what we're also considering: creating an AI companion that will be able to provide you details in regards to your trading history, trading statistics, analytics, and give you a brief idea of what's happening in the market. Because at the end of the day, you do really need to know when something new is going to drop, when there is a potential crisis worldwide, and how that will change how the market's going to fluctuate. Opportunity for decent development. As the market matures, traders require platforms that integrate analytics, automation, risk controls, and multi-exchange access in a single seamless environment. This is exactly what I was talking about. The arbitrage system is much, much simpler. So instead of like jumping from one exchange to another, you can do it all in one exchange. Challenges in crypto trading. Despite the remarkable growth of cryptocurrency market, traders continue to face numerous obstacles that hinder their performance, increase risk, and reduce profitability. Exactly. This is where we were going in regards to the feelings, especially when you feel anxiety and fear when you get into a trade. Maybe you get into a very high trade with a very high volume that you have to trade with, and then suddenly like the fear gets the best of you. You lose your grip, you close the trade, and then suddenly everything starts to explode. And now you're grabbing your head and starting to think, maybe I should have hold. Now I lost so much money. You know the gist. But with us, this is gone. There's no more stress. The only thing you have to do is just decide on what amount you want to invest into us, and we're gonna take care of the rest. We have some fragment ecosystem. We have some lack of institutional grade tools, manual execution limitations, insufficient risk manager, security and trust issues. As I mentioned, I'm pretty sure you guys can definitely go ahead and read through all of this by yourself. What I am really here to do is really give you the basics and how everything performs, and just kind of like want to tell you as simple as possible why we are here and why we have decided to go with this. At the end of the day, everyone is here to get some bread. And we all have families, we all have our own issues in life. And this is exactly why we're looking for financial freedom. And for some of us, it's not only for financial freedom, especially for me, it's more about being able to be financially free and travel around the world. Because at the end of the day, I believe that traveling is learning and experiencing, and that's what life is all about. And this is exactly why we decided to build a platform that will kind of bring up everything that you might need, especially in regards to the arbitrage. Anyone who hasn't heard about arbitrage can go ahead and check it out. It's practically you buying one asset in one exchange and then checking out the value of the same assets in a different exchange and then transferring it there and buying or selling there. And this is a little bit of a hectic process and very tedious process, and we wanted to simplify it with one button. And this is what we did for our platform. This is exactly why I say that this is the easier way for you to trade. The only thing you have to do is simply register, log into your dashboard, check the news, check the markets, and then just go ahead and decide on the amount you want to invest in, and then just sit back, relax, and that's it. That's passive income. But yeah, have some trading automations, have institutional grade risk management, multi-exchange integrations, scalable for all user types. Have some platform features, real-time market dashboard, advanced charting tools, AI-powered analytics engine, advanced analytics engine, data aggregation and normalization, AI-powered predictive models, natural language processing for sentiment analysis, whale and on-chain activity tracker, event-based signal system, smart visualization and reporting, custom analytic toolkits, trading automation, and bots. Right. I believe that we can leave some of those for you to really go ahead and check out. And now I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to give you a very quick, brief preview of the of our little presentation. And I really, really hope that you guys are getting what I'm trying to tell you. Right, here we are. Welcome to Dcent Capital. So first and foremost, why choose Dcent Development? Professional grade platform built for serious traders with powerful performance and reliability. But once again, as I mentioned, it's not only for professional traders, it's for everyone. It doesn't matter if you have trading experience or not. If you have ever considered trading and ever wanted to have an option for passive income, here it is. We're here. The only thing that's left to do for you is just go ahead and create an account on our platform. Advanced analytic tools, as we mentioned, real-time alert signals, and we also have some risk management features. Right. Somehow we have some core features, data-driven trading decisions, AI and machine learning tools, automation, and bots. We already spoke about this. Who use this in development? Day traders and scalpers, swing traders, algorithmic and bot traders, crypto hedge funds and institutions, newcomers seeking smart insights. But as I mentioned, it's not limited to only those people. It's for everyone who wants to everyone who's looking for a passive income, everyone who's trying to simplify their trading, everyone who's trying to simplify the process of arbitrage. This is the platform right here in front of you. The only thing you need to do is just create an account and log in, check your dashboard, check the news, check the markets, and start trading. Dcent token, that's something that we consider. The token name is Dcent Origin. Token symbol is DCOR. Blockchain is going to be Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. The total supply is going to be 50 million DCOR. But yeah, it's a little bit in the future, but hopefully as we grow, you guys are gonna grow with us. And as you guys grow, we grow, and then slowly and steadily we're gonna start developing our token and releasing it on Binance. Now, we have some allocation type, percentage, token, and nodes. So we have rewards and airdrops, which is 40%, which is 20 million tokens. Free token to user in Dcent Capital, as we saw. Let me just move myself away. Free tokens to users in Dcent Capital as reward plus airdrop. So as long as you become part of Dcent, you'll be able to get airdrop of the D token. Development and listing reserve 10%, core team 3%, legal and compliances 2%, strategic alliances 5%, locked 3 years 10%, locked 5 years 10%, and locked 10 years 20%. Lock mechanism notes, lock tokens will be held in a time lock smart contracts. Unlocking happens only after the mentioned duration in days. Transparent and auditable on BCC scan. As I mentioned, we are really trying to provide as much transparency as possible for all of you guys, just for you to have an idea that there's nothing shady going on. Types of income: CapitalFlow, Turbo, InvitePay, LevelFlow, Dcent, LegacyFlow. So what that is, Dcent CapitalFlow slab will have up to investment between $10 to $1,000 on the set of 0 to 15 days is 0.5%, 16 to 30 days 1%, and so on and so forth. As you guys can see right here in front of the screen, investments up to $1,001 to 5,000, $5,001 to 10,000, $10,001 to 20,000, and then $20,001 to 50K. Now, of course, the more you're going to be able to leverage out of this particular option is going to be between 10, 20 to 50,000, I would say. So this is how you're going to be able to really see the value of your investment growing. So between 1 and 1.5 and 2% per 5 to 10K, and then 10K to 20K, 20K to 50K, you'll be able to see it daily in front of you how everything moves. Have some turbo, instant boost on return on investment, turbo 1 direct same or above, turbo 2, +1 direct, same or above. Turbo 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turbo is based on live business performance only. InvitePay, instant referral income. So this is for everyone who has been very active on their social media. Invite your friends, family, invite your own group of people or your followers to join Dcent Capital and start referring as much. The more people you refer, the more you're going to be able to run. This is the simplest and the cheapest way to start earning with Dcent Capital. The only thing you have to do is start inviting your friends, family, and your own followers to join Dcent, and as soon as they join Dcent from your referral link, you'll be able to cash in. Whenever you invite someone to join Dcent Capital, you instantly earn a reward called InvitePay. Reward 5% of the referred user's package amount. Payout instant, no wait, no conditions. Trigger as soon as referral activates their package. So as soon as you refer someone and they buy a package on our website, you get 5% of that package. So keep that in mind. Make sure that they buy the bigger package they buy, the better it's going to be for you. You know, that's a 5% out of that package, and the payout is instant, so you're not going to be waiting for anything, and it triggers as soon as the referral activates their package. So simple and good. LevelFlow, that's for all the leaders out there that have their own massive networks. This is your chart. 1, 2, 3 to 10, income percentage 30, 20, 10 to 5, direct businesses 5K, 500 to 5K, team businesses are 1K to 50K, and then level unlocks. Dcent LegacyFlow daily passive rewards. So this is for everyone who wants to earn daily. Legacy Scout 4K, team business, daily income $5, hold 30 days on hold. Legacy Seeker, Legacy Achiever, Legacy Mentor, Legacy Master, Legacy Elite, Legacy Crown. And as you guys can see, here are the values, the daily income. This one is really, really sweet. Qualification rules, 40 by 60 business logic. To qualify for any legacy rank, a maximum of 40% of your business can be counted from your prime line. Minimum 60% business must come from your support lines. Example, you're targeting legacy mentor, requires 50K total team business. Max from prime line is 20K, 40%. Min for support lines is 30K, 60%. Legacy rewards, release rule. All legacy rewards are on a 30 days hold after achieving a rank. After 30 days, the entire 30 days reward is released in one shot, which is amazing. We have some terms and conditions, but as I mentioned, all of those documents will be available for you on our Telegram or right here on the website where you can check it out. You can just go to decentcapital.com and you'll be able to get all of this. I'll stop sharing my screen. All right. Now, what I want to say to briefly close this amazing meeting. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you for everyone who decided to spend their time today with us. I hope you got as much value as possible from this particular meeting, but not to be afraid. If you haven't invited anyone or if you haven't invited someone who you wanted to be here, we'll be having another meeting very soon. As soon as that happens, you get a link. Join us and we'll be continue to talk about Dcent Capital. If you have any questions, our website is available. We also have a Telegram group, and anything you also can leave it here in the chat. Some of our team will answer you, or even I. Now, I want to leave you with a little bit of more motivation in regards to this particular meeting. I just wanted to say that right now, there's thousands of platforms out there. And this particular one that we have built with our hearts, really, is the one that I believe would give you the most value in regards to options. You have an options to refer people and earn. You have your own particular trading options. You have ROI. You have day trading. You have passive income ideas here as well. You have our legacy starter packs. You have almost everything that you might need, that the trader might need, right here in one platform. And if you are a little bit skeptical, I would definitely advise you just go to our website, register, check your dashboard, check the news, check the market, give it a shot, see how it feels, and take it from there. Thank you very much for everyone who has the time to join in today. We'll definitely be getting to another meeting where we'll be discussing a little bit more about Dcent. We will also be going a little bit deeper through our white paper and through our presentations. And we're going to be giving you a little bit more sneak peeks about our day trading so you can see some of our analytics and some of our performances. Once again, thank you very much for joining, and I hope I see all of you once again here in the next meeting. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.